Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare ElevenLabs versus Fish Audio. We'll explore their distinct offerings, from advanced voice synthesis to comprehensive audio solutions. Our goal is to help you understand which platform best suits your creative or business needs, focusing on their unique strengths and how they deliver value in the evolving world of AI audio. ElevenLabs excels with its hyperrealistic text-to-speech, supporting over 29 languages and offering advanced voice cloning capabilities. 14 Fish Audio, on the other hand, provides high-quality text-to-speech, rapid voice cloning, and professional audio processing features like noise reduction. 15 both utilize cutting-edge deep learning to produce natural, emotionally expressive AI voices, aiming for near-human authenticity in their audio outputs. 15 ElevenLabs is a strong choice for content creators, developers, and businesses, excelling in realistic voiceovers, multilingual dubbing, and AI assistance for customer service. 18 Fish Audio serves a similar audience, including filmmakers and game developers, for high-quality voiceovers, audiobooks, and unique character voices. 24 both platforms empower users to create engaging audio content, from educational modules to interactive voice systems, streamlining production across various industries. 9, 12, 19, 21, 23, 24 ElevenLabs offers a free plan with 10,000 characters monthly and paid subscriptions starting at approximately $5 per month, scaling with usage and unlocking advanced features like professional voice cloning. 4, 6, 10, 11, 14 Fish Audio provides a free trial and flexible plans, with some open-source models having non-commercial use restrictions. 3, 17, 24, 28, 30. 31 Fish Audio is often highlighted for its affordability and superior voice authenticity, presenting a compelling value proposition for many creators. 15, 17, 24.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.